Hi, this is Ron Reich, and today I want to talk to you about how to think like a millionaire entrepreneur. This is something that I know you're going to be really excited to hear about, because you might be aware that the thing that separates the people who do seven figures, multiple seven figures, etc., it typically is what's going on in between their ears. Their mindset informs their actions, and then of course their actions inform the results they get into the real world. And most likely, if you're watching this video, you've heard that it's all about mindset, that if you can improve your mindset, that things will be a lot easier. And that's actually absolutely true. However, there's not a lot of good information out there about how to actually improve your mindset. How do you develop that millionaire mindset? What are some actual practices and tools you can use to have that millionaire mindset? That's what I want to share with you today. I have three key strategies, three mindsets that millionaires have that I invite you to adopt. Let's get to it. So the first one is that millionaire entrepreneurs are anti-fragile. The concept of anti-fragility comes from this guy by the name of Nassim Taleb, I believe is his last name, is how you pronounce it. He wrote a great book called Anti-Fragile, which came out a couple years ago. And in the book, he describes essentially the idea of being fragile versus anti-fragile. If you're fragile, that means you break easily. We do not want to be fragile. And you could counter this with being robust, being resilient. This means that when things get difficult, you don't break, which is really cool. We want to be resilient, we want to be robust. But even better than that is being anti-fragile. What that means is that the more difficult things get, the more you get knocked down, the stronger you become. Imagine like a vase. When you shake the vase and it actually gets stronger and stronger and stronger. That's the kind of mindset that you need if you want to become a millionaire entrepreneur. So what this means is that when you experience challenges, you want to use those as fuel for growth. You want to use them as gifts. Learn the lessons and have them fuel you to the next level. And realize that when things are challenging, when the things are difficult, realize that is just a sign that you're on the right track and that awesome things are just around the corner. Success is not a straight line, as you might be aware. It's more like this, where there's the inevitable ups and downs. So having that anti-fragile mind is critical. Another thing that millionaire entrepreneurs have that those who do not make it do not have is that millionaire entrepreneurs are relentlessly process focused. They are focused on the process and doing what it takes to be successful. So there's this idea of leading indicators versus lagging indicators. Leading indicators, those are the things that you have full control over. These are your actual actions. And then there's lag indicators. Those are the results of our actions. So millionaire entrepreneurs, they are very focused on the process. They're focused on, for example, putting out this marketing campaign to the best of their ability, doing this launch to the best of their ability, going out and signing up 10 affiliate partners and having that as their goal, and realizing that if they do the right things, the results will follow. So it's about knowing what to focus on and being focused on it like a machine consistently and realizing that those results are going to come. And the truth of the matter, this is a little bit of a secret, is that if you are focused and you're consistently putting in the actions, you're going to feel better, you're going to be excited, and the results are automatically going to come. It's a really amazing process. So, first thing, anti-fragility. Second thing is being process focused. The third thing, and this is so important that not many people talk about, is that your physiology informs your psychology. The highest performing entrepreneurs that I know, if you follow them around, they actually act kind of like Olympic athletes might act. They are really focused, not just on what they're doing during their work period and really you only really have about 4 to 5 hours of quality focused work you can do per day. So the really high level people, they're using the rest of the day to really optimize their energy. They're really focused on the right nutrition, sleeping right, working out. Most of them have mindfulness, meditation practices, gratitude practices. All of these things really contribute to your mindset. I promise you, if you start sleeping 8-9 hours a night, if you start eating better, if you start exercising like a champion, if you start meditating for 20, 30, 40 minutes per day, you are going to feel amazing, and that is going to automatically develop this very strong mindset, and it's going to give you more energy to be more productive. Hopefully you can see how these things compound, I should say. So those are the 3 strategies on how you can think and act like a millionaire entrepreneur. We talked about anti-fragility, then we talked about being process focused, and we just talked about how your physiology informs your psychology. If you really, I promise you, if you implement these 3 things and really do them, you will get to your goal, and I will see you at the top. All right, this is Ron Reich. I will see you in the next video, and let me know what you think. Which of these strategies was the most favorite of yours? Let me know in the comments below, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe. I'll talk to you soon.